Good morning, children. Today, let us revise the topic subtraction of integers. Okay. Rule for subtracting integers. That is, to subtract a number, add its additive inverse. Additive inverse means the additive inverse of a positive integer is negative integer, and the additive inverse of a negative integer is its positive integer. Opposite. Okay, that is additive inverse of positive 3 is negative 3, and additive inverse of negative 4 is positive 4. This is additive inverse. Okay, opposite sign. The opposite sign of positive 3 is negative 3, and the opposite of negative 4 is positive 4. It is known as additive inverse. Okay. This means keep the sign of first number, change the operation to addition, and change the sign of the second number, then use the addition rules. This is a rule for subtracting integers. That is, keep the sign of first number. Keep the sign of first number. That means the first number stays the same. Then change the operation to addition. Subtraction ഉള്ള symbol മാറ്റിയിട്ട് addition ആക്കുക. And change the sign of the second number. Change the sign of the second number. Second numberൻ്റെ sign change ചെയ്യുക. That is, if the second number is positive, then change into a negative integer. If the second number is a negative integer, change it into a positive integer. Okay. Then use the addition rules. Now we changed addition as subtraction. Sorry children. Subtraction as addition. So you can follow the addition rules now. Okay. Let me explain this. Rule for subtracting integers. That is, keep the sign of the first number. That is, the first number stays the same. The second step is change subtraction into addition. Subtraction ഉള്ള sign മാറ്റിയിട്ട് addition ആക്കുക. Okay. Then change the sign of the second number. Change the sign of the second number. Then follow the rules of addition. Okay. Let me explain this. Children, here we are subtracting two positive integers. That is 5 minus 2. 5 minus 2. Follow the rules, children. The first number stays the same. That is, keep the first number same. So 5 becomes 5. Don't change the sign of the first number. Then second step is change the subtraction into addition. Then the third step is change the sign of the second number. That is additive inverse of the second number. Since the second number is positive 2, its opposite sign is negative 2. Negative 2. Additive inverse of positive 2 is negative 2. Okay. Now we can follow the rules for addition. 5 plus negative 2. When we are adding two different signs, subtract the smaller number from the bigger number and put the bigger number sign. That is 5 minus 2 is 3. Since 5 is the larger number and it is positive also. So our answer is also positive. Okay. So children, here the first number stays the same, that is 5. Change subtraction into addition. Then change the sign of the second number, that is positive 2 becomes negative 2. Now it is 5 plus negative 2. We are adding the integers with different signs. Subtract the integer and put the larger number sign. Okay. Let us do more examples, children. Here our first question is 4 minus 7. 4 minus 7. See children, we can use these 3 words to follow the rules for subtraction. Keep, change, change. Keep means keep the first number same. Change means change the subtraction into addition. Okay. Then the third word change means change the sign of the second number. Keep, change, change means keep the first number same. Then change subtraction into addition. Then change the second number as its additive inverse. Additive inverse. Okay. 4 minus 7. Keep. 4 same. Then subtraction becomes addition. Then positive 7 becomes negative 7. Okay. Now we are adding two numbers with different sign. 4 plus negative 7. 7 minus 4 is 3. Since the larger number is negative, put the sign negative. So our answer is negative 3. Clear? Next question is negative 1 minus 9. Keep the first number same, negative 1. Then change subtraction to positive addition. Then positive 9 becomes negative 9. Okay. Now we are adding two numbers with negative sign, same sign. Add and put negative sign. 1 plus 9, 10. Since both numbers are negative, our answer also negative. Negative 10. Okay. Next question is negative 3 minus negative 5. Negative 3 minus negative 5. Okay. Follow the rule. Keep same number, negative 3. Change this subtraction as addition. Change. Okay. Then the third word is again change. Change the sign of negative 5 as positive 5. The number without sign is considered as a positive number. Now we are adding two numbers with different sign. So subtract the numbers, that is 5 minus 3, 2. Since our larger number is 5 and it is positive also, so our answer is also positive. Clear? Our next question is four minus 1. Keep same 4. Subtraction, addition, positive 1, negative 1. 4 plus negative 1 means 4 minus 1, 3, and put the greater number sign. Since the greater number is larger number is positive, our answer also positive. Okay. Next is 4 minus negative 1. 4 plus positive 1. 4 plus positive 1. Okay. So our answer is 5. Next 8 minus 4. 8 minus 4. 8 becomes 8 and this subtraction becomes addition. Then positive 4 becomes negative 4. We are adding two numbers with different sign. Subtract and put the larger number sign. So 8 minus 4, 4. Since 8 is larger, our answer also positive. 8 is a positive number. Now 8 minus negative 4. Write 8 first. Change the subtraction as addition and change negative 4 as positive 4. 8 plus 4 is 12. Positive 12. Okay. Next is 3 minus 5. 3 minus 5. Write 3 first. Next subtraction becomes addition. Then 5. Positive 5 becomes negative 5. Now we are adding two numbers with different sign. So 5 minus 3, 2. Since our larger number is 5, put its sign. Negative 2 is the answer. Okay. Our next question is 3 minus negative 5. 3 minus negative 5. Write 3 first. Then subtraction becomes addition. Negative 5 becomes positive 5. 3 plus 5 is 8. Okay. Next is 2 minus 5. 2 minus 5. Write 2 first. Then change this subtraction into addition and 5 becomes negative 5. Negative 5. Now we are adding two numbers with a different sign. So 5 minus 2 is 3. Since the larger number is negative, our answer also negative. Negative 3. Okay. Next is 2 minus negative 5. 2 minus negative 5. Write 2 first. Then change subtraction into addition. Then change the sign of negative 5. That is positive 5. 2 plus 5 is 7. Okay. Children, when we are subtracting two numbers, follow these rules. Keep the first number the same. Keep the first number same. Change the subtraction sign to an addition sign and change the sign of the second number to its opposite, which is known as additive inverse. Okay. Here in this example, keep the first number same, that is 12. Now, change the subtraction sign to an addition. So, minus become plus. Now, change the sign of negative 6, that is positive 6. Okay. Keep the first number same, that is 12. Then change subtraction sign to addition, that is plus. Change the second number sign, that is negative 6 become positive 6. 12 plus 6 is 18. Okay, so our answer is 18. 12 minus negative 6. We can put the second number inside the bracket if its sign is negative. Okay, so 12 minus negative 6 is equal to 18. This is our answer. Okay. So children, today you learn about rule for subtracting integers. Keep the sign of the first number, change the operation to addition and change the sign of the second number, then use the addition rules. Okay. Hope this topic is clear for you. Thank you children.